All of you are most welcome in your mathematics class for class 8. Today we will solve the exercise 2b. In your book, in your exercise, the fourth question of your exercise is two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. If the difference of these numbers is 14, find the number. Once again I repeat you. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. If the difference of these numbers is 14, find the number. Solution. पहले मैं क्वेश्चन को आपको समझाता हूं. टू नंबर्स आर इन द रेशियो 6:7. दो संख्याएं 6:7 के अनुपात में हैं. टू नंबर्स आर इन द रेशियो 6:7. इफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज नंबर्स इज 14, अगर उन संख्याओं का अंतर 14 है. इफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज नंबर्स इज 14, फाइंड द नंबर. तब संख्या बताइए, संख्या ज्ञात कीजिए. सोल्यूशन. Let the numbers be 6x and 7x. 6x and 7x. Let the numbers be 6x and 7x. Then according to the question, their difference is 14. That means 7x minus 6x is equal to 14. We solve this linear equation. 7x minus 6x is equal to x is equal to 14. x की वैल्यू 14 आ गई है. अब निकाल लीजिए नंबर. So the one number will be 6x. 6x मतलब 6 into x. x की वैल्यू 14 है. 14 6 जा 84. And the second number will be 7x. That means 7 into x. 7 into 14. 14 7 ja 98. I repeat. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. Two numbers are in the ratio 6:7. दो संख्याएं 6:7 के अनुपात में हैं. If the difference of these numbers is 14, अगर उन संख्याओं का अंतर 14 है, find the numbers. संख्या बताइए. Let the numbers be 6x and 7x and their difference is 14. That means 7x minus 6x will equal to 14. 7x minus 6x is equal to 14. Then solve this linear equation. 7x minus 6x is equal to 14. 7x minus 6x is equal to x is equal to 14. Then the first number will be 6x. 6 into x. The value of x is 14. 14 6 is 84. And the second number will be 7x. 7 into 14. 14 7 is 98. Therefore, the numbers were 84 and 98. The numbers were 84 and 98. The next question of this exercise is based on a rectangle. In this question, the perimeter of rectangle is given. We have to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Question number 6 is the perimeter of a rectangle is rectangle is 90 centimeter. If 1/4 of the breadth, if 1/4 of the breath if 1/4 of the breath is equal to half of its length, half of its length, then find length and breadth of the rectangle. Then find length and breadth of rectangle. I repeat the question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 90 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 90 centimeter. If 1/4 of the breadth is equal to the half of its length, then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Solution. Let the length of the rectangle, let the length of the rectangle is x centimeter. Therefore 1/4 of the breadth, 1/4 of the breadth is equal to half of its length. Half of length. 1/4 of the breadth is equal to half of the length. Length is x centimeter. Half will be 1/2x. 1/2x. 1/4 of the breadth. The breadth will be 1/4 breadth is equal to 1/2x. Breadth will be 1/2 into 4 into x is equal to 2x. 2x. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is given that 90 centimeter. You know very well the perimeter of a rectangle is, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 90 centimeter. 2 into length of the rectangle is x centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 2x centimeter is equal to 90 centimeter. 2x plus x will be 3x. 2 into 3x is equal to 90 centimeter. Therefore 2 3 ja 6x is equal to 90 centimeter. X will equal to 90 upon 6. 6 1 ja 6, 3 9, 3 0 60, 6 5 ja 30. X, the value of x is 15. Then find the length of the rectangle. Length will be 15 centimeter and breadth will be 2x. 2 into 15. 15 2 ja 30 centimeter. Then length will be 15 centimeter and breadth will be 30 centimeter. I repeat the solution. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 90 centimeter, एक आयत का परिमाप 90 सेंटीमीटर है. इफ 1/4 ऑफ द ब्रीथ, अगर लंबाई का 1/4 इज इक्वल टू बराबर है हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ, लंबाई के आधे के. देन फाइंड द लेंथ एंड ब्रीथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल, तब आयत के लंबाई और चौड़ाई की गणना कीजिए। मान लीजिए एक आयत है, रेक्टेंगल है, जिसकी लेंथ x सेंटीमीटर है। लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज x सेंटीमीटर, देन 1/4 ऑफ द ब्रीथ, 1/4 ऑफ द ब्रीथ इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ, हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ। 1/4 of the breath is equal to half of the length. Half means 1/2. Length is x centimeter. 1/2 x. Breath will be 4 into 1/2 into x. That means 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2x. यहाँ आप 2 से कैंसिल कर दीजिए। 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2x. Then perimeter is 90 centimeter. You know very well that the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 90 centimeter. 2 into length, length is x centimeter and breadth is 2x centimeter. X plus 2x is equal to 90. X plus 2x is equal to 3x into 2 is equal to 90. 3 2 जा 6x is equal to 90. X will be 90 upon 6. 6 1 जा 6, 3 9, 3 0 30, 6 5 जा 30. Then find the length of the rectangle. Length will be x centimeter. X means 15 centimeter. And the breadth be 2x, 2 into x, 2 into 15, 2 15 जा 30 centimeter. Students, ऐसे ही इस एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस इसी फार्मूले पर, इसी पर आधारित हैं। आप अपनी नोटबुक में क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कीजिए और बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस जो छूट गए हैं उनको हम आपके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।